Guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 86663. 8663. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. 15 printed digits should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15. And it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Only one, no, 2 single boxes. Single boxes, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. Well, we have it here and here. A dual box, I do not know. And here also. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Here, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here, so 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2 and the 3. Well, no triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadruple boxes then? No quadruple boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. The first one, let me start with this one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Then, here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right. Only one T shape. Nope. Here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And overlook this one. Haha, the first one. Well, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, this box has the same number as that box. This should be also 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 there, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2 then. Is connected with that box should be also 2. Is also connected with that box should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes, surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes, surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. But also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Is connected with that box, should be a 1 or a 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Right. Then. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And what the 4? Yeah, 3. Well. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright. These 3 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1 is connected with that box, should be 2 and a 1. But we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for number 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 5 in this cross area. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Here we have also 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1 is connected with that box. So 1 and a 3, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I've marked this box with 1 or a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3. And the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. This box can be 4, this box can be 1, so the 4 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Then let me see. Ooh, yeah. Well. All right. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can be 2, but also that box cannot be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because it's reserved for the 1 and the 4. So another solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Yeah. Okay. This box should be also 1 and a 4. Alright. 1 and a 4. Okay. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those boxes. Not the solution, place a 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. Alright. Then, let me see. Not easy. Well, this box cannot be 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 there, double 4 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Is connected with that box, so 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 3 then. Alright. That means that these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. This one is connected with that box, should be also 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Alright. Now. Let me think. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. Should be a 2. Give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 4 then. It's a pair. Here's a 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. 4 and a 5. Well. 1 and a 4. I need to think. Why can I not place the numbers here? Why cannot I place the numbers here? 1 and a 4. Ay. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4, yeah. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because if I place a 4 here, then I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this can be a 4. This should be a 1 then. Okay, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4 is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1 is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, 4 and 5. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes, and they have finished in 14 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF. I also can make it also by myself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.